Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another F1 update. So today let's talk about one of the most historic and the most, and the race which has dated back since the start of the Formula 1 season, and I'm talking about no other than the Monaco Grand Prix, a race which is full of glamour and full of, celebrities attending it. So a few celebrities which were attending this race were Dua Lipa, Kylian Mbappe, and one of the richest man on the planet, which is Jeff Bezos. He was also here to see the cars going around in the streets of Monaco this weekend. So, from the sides where the kind of people who are attending this race, the race didn't do justice in terms of that, and the race was pretty boring, to be honest. This is what I feel. And and putting the race into context is that we've seen one of the most amazing fights and rivalries in the circuit, in this street race. But this race we only saw one overtake, which was done by Lance Stroll. So there is obviously a big difference between the past and what we have seen now in the present, and the main reason is because of the cars which have gotten so big now. But anyways, let's talk about what happened and let's take a deep dive into this weekend. Lando Norris did just enough to take his maiden victory in the Monaco Grand Prix, holding off Charles Leclerc in the closing stages of the race. The McLaren driver started from pole and held on his advantage going into the first corner despite looking up his front tires, and Leclerc just behind him. He could not overtake him, but he had to settle in for second place. And despite a mandatory two-stop race, Norris held the race lead throughout but came under intense pressure in the closing stages from Leclerc and his teammate Oscar Piastri. The order remained unchanged as Max Verstappen, who was directly ahead, made his final pit stop, his second pit stop on the penultimate lap, giving Norris room to take the fastest lap on the last lap. This race marks the British driver's first victory since the season opener in Australia, and the points which he's got from this race has helped him to close the gap between his teammate and him, Piastri, who's leading the championship, to just 3 points, down to just 3 points. So obviously we're seeing a really exciting title fight this year, and definitely more exciting than last year, which was just between Verstappen and Norris. This year it's between a lot of there are a lot of contenders this year. So let's see what happens. And this is all what I have for this weekend. Next up we have Spain, Barcelona, and let's see what happens. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.